Dear aquarist, dear fish keeper, thank you for watching this video on a killifish. Yes, Aphyosemion can also get sick, and I explain you a specific disease which might interest you when you're dealing with wild killifish. So watch my screen that I show you my videos and my findings by working as a fish doctor. The fish disease case 165 about Aphyosemion bivitatum, a wild one, with a worm infection and secondary bacterial infection. Watch my videos and watch my books. In the books I explain a lot about killifish and how to cure and how to treat. Well, this is a killifish. You see the bivitatum came from the wild, came from Nigeria. It looked weak and some were dying. Not particularly any disease symptom typical to observe. We checked the gills and we found that there was a bacterial infection. You can see here the necrosis. Here parts are eaten away by the bacteria, and that is of course causing a damage to the respiratory organ, and the fish can die from that. Internally, well, you could see we found some organs. In the organs we found some those kind of enclosed worms, a little worm larvae, because the fish are taking that up by eating that kind of wild food, and that can contain some worm larvae or eggs. They become larvae, and then if the fish is eaten by a bird or a live food, it closes the cycle, it become an adult worm. So it creates a bad liver. Well, that is what you can have with the wild fish, and that you can have these kind of worms inside by eating the wild food. That's what happens with a killifish. And he becomes weak, and he can get then secondary bacterial infections. There is no medications particularly to control those worms because they are encapsulated. Try to stimulate the immune system, because some fish have very few worms. They can survive well, they do well, as long as you strengthen the fish. And therefore we recommend a specific functional food like our Dr. Bassleer Biofish Food Forte. Bacterial treatments, yes, might be necessary that you apply an antibacterial treatment. Ask your pet shop what products you can get, because the diseases can advance and kill the fish eventually. And some fish, yes, might be too weak to be saved, especially when they do not longer eat well. Well, more info and details on my books, you can get that. So learn fish diseases, watch my videos, subscribe, and like this one, please. And continue to watch my videos to stay or become a good fish hobbyist. Thank you for watching.